Alright guys, now we're going to reinstall a new wheel or used wheel into our tire spine and tire combo here. You can use a traditional tire machine where you clamp onto the bell of the wheel and then feed it on with the arm, or you can have your tire seat on the ground and just install the wheel just like any other method. So now we have our wheel in the tire, sitting like this. Now we're going to put it back on the hydraulic table. At this point, we're going to use what we call as our halo ring for the install. So what we're going to do is turn the machine back on, lift the shaft. At this point, we go ahead and grab your bead ring, put your bolts on it, set it on the bead lock side of the wheel and tire. Grab your halo kit. Put it on there. Use a nut or a plate, whatever you're using to secure your halo down. As you can see, we got our wheel sitting on the table, our tires elevated. We're going to use the halo just to pull the tire down and set down onto the wheel where we can reinstall our bead lock. See there, we've got the tire pulled back down to the wheel. The bead of the tire sitting there on the wheel, and now we're ready to install the bead lock back onto the